Hello, friends. We are the Youngs, Joshua
and Miranda.
And this week we wanted to give you a tour of the new place. A bunch of our friends have been asking about what it's like because they've seen random pictures that I posted. So we thought we'd go inside and show it. We're here because we rented a place in Subor for 2 years, about 15 minutes from here, but the owners came back to Denmark from another country, and we had to find a new place, but we got super lucky.
We did, and we found this awesome thatched roof cottage that actually dates back to 1670, so it's older than America. It's amazing inside, and we absolutely love it here.
So we hope you enjoy this tour as we walk through the new place. And what we're going to do is we're going to start where most days start, with some coffee in the kitchen.
So this is our awesome kitchen that I love so much. It was one of the rooms that really sold me on this house because we have these great windows both at the front and the back of the kitchen to look outside, and we also have this awesome island. We have not had an island in our kitchen in probably about 17 years, and so now we all kind of get to sit and eat around the table together, and it's just really kind of become a heart of the home kind of place. So this is one of my favorite places to be. But let's take a look at Maya's room.
Hi, I'm Maya, and this is our house. This is my side of the house that I expertly decorated. And in this house, I really love it. I have like my own little section. I have my own little bathroom and tiny little kitchen in my room. It's so nice. It's a little scary that I can see like people walk by my window, but it's really nice.
Well, we've seen Maya's room, we've seen the kitchen. Now on this floor, let's check out my office where I spend all my time when I'm working from home. Alright, so the one thing I haven't done in this room yet is put anything on the walls. That's because all the walls in this house are painted brick, and I can't just screw things on like I did at my old place. So we've ordered a whole bunch of these special sticker things that lets us hang stuff on the walls that can be removed without hurting anything. So soon I'll have these walls completely filled with all my concert posters, but for now they're blank. But I will update our Instagram that you can see here with some pictures when I get everything up in the next week. right.
That was it.
That was the house. I hope you enjoyed it. We really hope some of our friends and family are going to be able to come and visit us here.
Yes.
We should be here for at least 2 years, although we're 2 months in already. But 2 years. We're hoping we can stay longer. We'll see. But for the moment, we've got a lease for 2 years. We're hoping you can come and visit us.
Yes, we are. So we hope you love the house, and we'll see you again next time.
Yeah, next time, by the way, I think what we're going to do is do a nice little tour of Nyhavn.
Yes.
And more importantly, the stuff around Nyhavn. It's a great tourist place in Copenhagen, but it's very touristy, so we want to show our favorite spots around Nyhavn and the things that you would want to see close by. So stay tuned for that next week, but thanks. We'll catch you soon.
Bye.
Bye.